Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel English Sikho-Dil से. Circle the verb in the past participle tense to complete the sentence. मैं आपको एक सेंटेंस दूंगा और उसमें दो ऑप्शन मिलेगा आपको. तो आपको जो past participle वर्ड है उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. ओके, इसके लिए आपको मैं 5 seconds दूंगा. So test your grammar knowledge. Geeta has eaten all the biscuits in the jar. Geeta has eaten all the biscuits in the jar. We have done everything we could to help him. We have done everything we could to help him. Who has borrowing my new blue pen? Who has borrowed my new blue pen? She has broken the vase. She has broken the vase. He has written the book. He has written the book. I have chosen the right path. I have chosen the right path. They have told me the truth. They have told me the truth. He has driven the car. He has driven the car. She has spoken to her teacher. She has spoken to her teacher. I have found the answer. I have found the answer. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to hit the like button. And please do subscribe my channel. Have a wonderful day ahead.